Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about topic the augmented reality AR in e-commerce. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in e-commerce and you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. First of all, I will request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, augmented reality, or basically AR short form, in e-commerce means that it involves in integrating digital elements like, for example, images, information, interactive features, so that whenever you are shopping online, it will add value for online consumers. AR enhances the user experience by overlaying computer generated contents onto the physical world, blurring the line between the virtual and the real environments. For example, friend, you want to purchase glasses. Okay, so now what you can do, generally it happens that you go on any e-commerce store website or mobile app device, and you can just select the glass which you want to purchase. Nowadays many features are available through which you can check online that particular glass, how it will suit on your face or not. Let's deep dive into this feature. This is called as virtual try-ons, apparel and accessories. AR enables customers to virtually try on clothing items, accessories, or even cosmetics before making a purchase. This helps in visualizing how products will look on them, reducing the need for physical try-ons and potentially lowering return rates as well. So before purchasing, they can check that how this particular product will suit on them, of especially clothes, especially glasses, any other thing. So it will basically increase the confidence of the customer, and also it will lower down the return rates as well. Next is the virtual furniture placement. Again, the same concept applies here, that customer can use AR to visualize how furniture item would look like in their home before buying. Like you have a color scheme, color theme in your home, in your bedroom, in your drawing room. So if you are purchasing any, for example, you want to purchase a sofa set, so you can, using this technology, you can check that how that particular sofa set will look like in your room, in your drawing room. This helps in assessing whether a particular piece of furniture complements the existing decoration and fits this space appropriately. Then 3D product models. The augmented technology allows businesses to showcase 3D models of their products, like for example bicycle, providing customers with a more immersive and detailed view. This is particularly useful for products that have intricate details or unique features. For example, you want to purchase a bicycle or motorcycle, so it will give you a 3D product model. 3D product model means that the 3D view is available through which you can have a better idea that how the product will look like. Okay. Then AR product labels. Customers can point their mobile devices at a product, and augmented technology can overlay information such as the pricing of the product, any specifications of the ingredients, and customer reviews about it. This helps in making informed purchasing decisions directly from the physical product. So if you want to purchase any product, you just place the direction of your mobile device toward that particular product, so it will give you all the required information about it, the pricing, specification, so you can take the decision accordingly. Then AR store maps. This means the in physical stores or virtual showrooms, AR can help customers navigate through, locate products, and access additional information about items on the shelves. Like for example, if you have grocery items are available in the shelf, if you just place your mobile towards the item on the shelf, it will give you information about that, like pricing the item in detail as well. Customized shopping experience means that e-commerce platforms can develop dedicated AR apps that offer personalized shopping experience. These apps can use AR to show recommended products based on user preferences and history, and through which your shopping experience will be customized as well. Then interactive packaging. Brands can use augmented technology on their product packaging to provide additional content, especially like for example instructional video, behind the scenes footage, or immersive storytelling. So whenever you receive a bundle or the packet from the product, you, for example, you have the additional video, instructional video is available. So once you open that particular product, you will have the knowledge that how to use that particular product, what are the instructions there, what are the story behind that particular product. So it will basically add a value for a customer. Then AR fitting solutions. Virtual fitting rooms allow users to try on clothes virtually using their smartphones or other AR enabled devices. Basically, this reduces the uncertainty of fit when shopping online for clothing, especially whenever you are purchasing clothes. It's a very big problem that normally customers face, that how this particular shirt or pant will suit on me. So basically, by using the mobile devices, it will and using the app technology and AR technology, you can have the virtual fitting rooms. Then AR ad campaigns. E-commerce businesses can use AR technology in their advertising efforts, creating interactive and engaging campaigns. For example, customer might be able to interact with the product by tapping on an AR advertisement as well. This is also a very big feature. Then the interactive product demos. Augmented technology can be used to create interactive demonstrations of products, allowing customer to explore features and functionalities in a more engaging way. You have more idea. For example, you want to purchase a laptop, so it will give you a very interactive demo, so that you can have the idea that how the keyboard will work, how the LCD will work, how the mouse will work. So basically a demo is very interactive, so that you have the clear idea about the product. AR shopping on mobile devices. With the widespread use of smartphones, AR shopping experiences can be delivered directly through the mobile apps, making it accessible to a broader audience. So you can, for example, you want to purchase a cloth for your family member. So what you can do, when you move your mobile device towards the cloth, it will give you all the required information about that particular cloth, and you can have the confidence, you can take the right decisions accordingly as well. Then AR filters and effects. Integrating AR filters and effects into social media platforms allow users to engage with products in a fun and shareable way, potentially increasing brand visibility. We all know that nowadays Facebook, Twitter is very common, and lots of people are using, and the filters will add and the filters and the effects are basically adding value in that. Friend, implementing AR technology in e-commerce is not only enhances the shopping experience, but can also contribute to increase the customer satisfaction, reducing the return rates, and improve the brand loyalty and the quality as well. Technology continues to advance. The applications of AR in e-commerce are likely to expand, offering even more innovative and immersive shopping experiences for consumers as well. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.